Okay, so hey guys, what's up? I'm back here again with one more video. And guys, today I'm going to talk about video editing. So let me just tell you my short YouTube journey of editing. First 1, 2 or 3 videos I used to shoot and just upload. No editing and no nothing. Actually, at that time I thought like, who will do editing, just leave it. But then I observed that I think video editing is very important because it makes your video very attractive. And if you want your audience that they stay on your channel and they become a consistent audience, so I think video editing will help you. It is a key to attract the audience, and I think it is very important for every YouTuber. And guys, in this video I am going to tell you about basic video editing on iMovies, like how I used to edit my videos on iMovies. Right now I use any other software on my Mac, but I am going to tell you that how I edited my videos on iMovies and also in free. Well, let me talk a bit about iMovies. So guys, iMovies is a Mac based video editor. Not only Mac based, but it is also available on iOS and iPadOS. You can say Apple based video editor. So guys, I will talk about the iOS and iPadOS iMovies in any other video. But today we are going to focus on basic editing of the Mac iMovies. So guys, let's start our video without here I have opened the iMovies now, and also in this video I am just going to tell you simple and the basic video editing, like which I normally do for my videos. So to create a new project, we will click on this plus sign and then we will click on movie. Basically you can create a very interactive trailers too from iMovies. So now first we will import our media. So for that we will click on import media. Then then just a minute. Here I have media, so I will do import selected. Okay, so here I have all of my media which I wanted to create this video. So basically in this iMovie tutorial I'm going to edit my previous video like of the tripod video. I don't know whether it will be previous or I will upload any more video after this. Okay, so first let's import this one. So we will drag it and then I will import which one? Okay, this one. So you can see the timeline has got very big. For that, what I will do, here you can see this option. From here you can like make it small, make it big, but I will make it this much. Okay, this much is fine. Actually, this much is fine. Okay, so first thing which I do after adding like all the media, I add the transition. So we will go on transition tab, and here you will find several transitions, and one of my favorite is this, the cross zoom. So you just have to drag and drop. So now you see the transition. Okay, so yeah, that transition, I really like that. Okay, so basically before starting the video I like to tell about the video, like the title of the video. So I will go on background, and first I'll choose a very good one background. Then I will go on titles. Then here I will choose like any title. Okay, and then I will trim it to the background basically. Okay, I'll split it. Oh my god, what happening? Yeah, I'll split it over here. What is happening to you, baby? Okay, this much is fine. Let's see. Okay. So now to write, I will click over here, double click, and then I will write like tripod video. Oh my god. So to change color, I will select this whole. I will go on this thing. So, and from here I will change the color. This is looking good, and I can adjust the size. I will do 102. You can change the font. This and okay. Now it's looking good, and I will add transition over here though. Go on transitions. Place it over here, and you know, in my couple of videos, previous videos, you will hear that background music. So basically that I made with the help of GarageBand. So to import that, I will again go on my media. I will import more clip, like that clip. Here is that. I will import, and then I will drag it over here. So, and now I will copy it, then paste it. So like this, I will like copy and paste it. Play that music and throughout my whole video. I will paste it once more. Okay, okay, this much is left. So okay, so now we have added music, we have added a title, we have added transitions, and now I want to tell you how to add more medias in here. Okay, that's also very easy. We will as I'm on my media, so I will drag it. I drag this clip over here, and then I will go on this one, and then I will do picture in picture. So like you want 2 videos playing at one time, okay, you can do this, or if you want to share them like this, okay, so that's very cool. But I don't want split screen, I will do picture in picture. So from here I can drag it anywhere. I can adjust the size, big, small, and I want to mute it. So here, can you see the double arrow? I will do it more down. Okay, so now this one clip is muted, and the sound will be only visible of this, but this video will be also playing parallelly. So yeah, that's cool, no? So let's play a video once. Okay, so now like in your video when you're recording, there will be a bit of background noise, like your fan, AC, or you know, at your home people are like talking. So to do that, just you know, observe this, the clip, this one which is highlighted now. Just observe its volume level. Okay, there will be a very small change in its volume. Just see that. Okay, so here we will do reduce background noise, and then here, and then this I will do to 100%. So you just observe this, that it you know, some waves will be down, so that will be of the background noise. Okay, then now I have to add some of the filters to this clip. So I will go here, filters you can add, there are many filters. I like this one, I like this, I will like this. So now you can see here I have created like this in our whole project. I will edit it like it is edited, but just to give you tutorial I edited. So now to export, what we will do, first we will save this. So we will click on this, the back to projects. So here it will be ask the name, so I will do test and then okay. And to save it, what we will do, we will click on these three dots, share project, and to files. So from here you can change the resolution. Okay, full HD is good. And then next, and then I want to save it in desktop. Okay, save. So here you can see a circle where it will show the progress of saving. Okay guys, so now my video is exported perfectly, and here you can see, here is our video. Open. Here you can see, here is our video. And yeah, this must be so in the basic editing. Okay guys, so this was an basic editing tutorial of Mac iMovies. I hope this video was very helpful and you can gather out that how you can easily edit your YouTube videos on your Mac. So guys, good luck from my side. Make your channel, edit your videos and grow on YouTube. So in this video this much. I hope you like this video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comments. And guys, till now if you have not subscribed, so guys please subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be notified from all the videos first. So bye bye for this time.